How to mention someone on Facebook post. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can mention anyone on Facebook post. Now to do so, first open up the Facebook app and head into a certain post. Now if you want to mention them on the post that you have not posted, if you want to mention it on somebody else's post, what you need to do is head into the comments, and in the comment section where you type in comments, simply type in @ and search in for the username of the person that you want to mention. I'll just search in Roshan Tamang here, and you can see my friend has appeared here at the top, and you'll be able to find him here. And once you type in the username, and you can simply type in and you can send the comments, and they'll be mentioned in the post comment. So this way they'll be mentioned in the post, and you can simply delete it by long tapping on it and tap on delete, and you'll be deleted. However, if you want to mention someone on your Facebook post, what you can do is head into your profile and head into your post and tap on the three dots option there and tap on edit post, and here on where you type in your status, you can type in @ and search in for the username again, and they'll appear here, and select the friend and post it and tap on save, and they will be mentioned in the Facebook post. So this way you can mention someone on Facebook posts and Facebook. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.